Subscribe to Techmespot channel and press the bell icon and never miss another update. Hi guys, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to enable or disable tablet mode on Windows 10. Okay guys, so this is the desktop mode, and in order to change to tablet mode we need to go to this right side of the taskbar, and here we have this notifications. Click on that, and here we have this tablet mode. Okay, just click on that, and guys, we are now switched to tablet mode. Okay, and here we have various options. This one is the back option. We have the search. You can search the web and the windows over here. Okay, and here we have the task view option. Okay guys, and if I click on this menu, and here we have this our user. If I click on that, you can see we have option to change account settings, lock, sign out. Okay, and here we have the most used apps over here, and also we have the file explorer, settings, the power, and the all apps. Okay, so you can see we have our all apps over here. Okay, and suppose guys, if you want to disable that this tablet mode, again you need to come to this this taskbar over here, and click on this notifications, and here we have the taskbar enable. Just click on that to disable it. We are now switched to desktop mode. Okay, so this is the first method. I'm going to show you the second method by which you can go back to tablet mode. Okay, so you need to click on this start button, and then click on this settings, click on this system, and here we have this tablet mode. Click on that, and here we have this tablet mode. Make Windows more touch friendly when using your device as a tablet. Okay, so you just need to click on this toggle to enable it, this tablet mode, and let me close that. Okay, and you can see guys, we are now in tablet mode. Okay, so again we have all these options over here. You can see the most used apps, file explorer, settings. Okay, and suppose guys, if you want to disable that, then again you need to you can disable from here also. Okay, and you can also disable, let me click on that, go to the settings, and go to the system, tablet mode, and here we have this this toggle. Just tap on that to turn off this tablet mode. Okay, so you can see guys, we are now back to desktop mode. Okay, so if I go back, and also guys, we have this options when I sign in. Okay, if I click on that, you can see automatically switch to tablet mode. Go to the desktop, remember what I used last. Okay, so you can select any of the options depending on your requirements. Okay, and here we have this option when this device automatically switches tablet mode on or off. If I click on that, you can see we have various options like don't ask me and don't switch, always ask me before switching, don't ask me, and always switch. And here we have this option, hide app icons on the taskbar in tablet mode. So currently it is on. Okay, you can turn off by clicking over here. You can see it's now turned off. Okay, so guys, in this way you can easily switch to tablet mode on your Windows 10 computer. So that's it guys, thanks for watching. If you like my videos, please support this channel by subscribing to it.